Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Smart Alim channel. Okay, nice to meet you. How are you today, kids? With me, Miss Susie. Let's learn about fruit. Repeat after me, please. Fruit. Fruit. Okay, thank you. These are fruit. Can you guess what is the name of this fruit? Can you guess what is this? Can you guess? Yes, that's right. This is orange. Repeat after me, please. Orange. This is orange. The color is orange. The color is orange. The color is orange. The name of the fruit is orange. 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 This is orange. I have 1, 2, 3 oranges. 1 orange. 2 oranges. 3 oranges. I have 3 oranges. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 oranges. I peel the orange. I peel the orange. I peel the orange. I eat the orange. I eat the orange. I eat the orange. The orange is sweet and sour. The orange is sweet and sour. The orange is sweet and sour. I like orange. I like orange. Do you like orange? Do you like orange? Hey kids, can you guess what's the name of this fruit? Can you guess? Yes, you are right. This is banana. Repeat after me, please. Banana. Yes, this is banana. The color is yellow. The color is yellow. 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 I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 bananas. 1 banana. 2 bananas. 3 bananas. I have 3 bananas. I peel banana. I peel banana. I peel banana. I eat banana. I eat banana. I eat banana. The taste is sweet. The taste is sweet. Yummy. Banana is sweet. Do you like banana? Do you like banana, kids? I like banana. Banana is sweet. Yay! Thank you very much for your attention, kids. See you next time. Bye-bye.